Here we have a 2016 BMW 420d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Estoril blue metallic exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic, especially with the black accents around the vehicles. We've got the black kidney grills at the front. You may have also noticed we've got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle as well. There's a closer look at your second 19-inch alloy wheel. You've got the front splitter just there, side skirts down below, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on the top just there too. There's a look at that third alloy wheel. As you come to the rear, you've then got your black spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely. You've then got a black diffuser down below, dual exit exhaust on the left hand side. We do have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel, and let's go on to the interior. Starting at the rear, we have got a full black leather interior, 2 seats in the back, fold down armrest in the centre, ISO fixed points within the seats, integrated Harman Kardon sound system on either side. We've got the blue accents throughout the vehicle as well. On the door here you've got your Harman Kardon sound system, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with electric windows just there too. On inside here got that same full black leather interior. Now these seats are heated as well. Now let's step inside. Auto lights on your right just there. Start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start stop button, and we are away. Multifunctional steering wheel, features like speed limiter, cruise control, paddle shifters for taking manual control of your gears, auto wiper controls on the right hand side, infotainment screen in the middle with features like satellite navigation. If you go into media, you've got your CD, DVD, as well as music collection, USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary. You've then got your DAB radio, telephone connectivity as well. Put the vehicle into reverse, you've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. You've then got different driving modes in here too, which consist of Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style at the time. You've then got your stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate control so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, heated seat controls for both front passengers. You've got 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity in the middle, traction control, different mode selections. You can turn on or off your parking sensors with this button just here too. You can access manual control or sport mode by pushing your gear stick to the left like so, and then changing gears like so as well. Back into park. You've then got shortcuts, control wheel and touchpad for the infotainment screen, soft touch leather armrest in the middle which does double up as storage there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day and nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.